Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Synchrony for card payment options, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Synchrony Bank and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the official Synchrony Bank website link. Look for the login or register option on the home page and click on it. If you are a new user, select the register option. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, enter your personal information as requested. This may include your name, address, and social security number. After filling out the personal information, choose your username and password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Next, provide your email address to receive notifications and account updates. Confirm your email by re-entering it in the designated field. You may also be asked to enter your phone number for added security. After entering all required information, carefully read the terms and conditions. Once you have understood the terms, check the box to agree. Now, click on the Submit or Register button at the bottom of the page. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your registration was successful. Check your email for a confirmation link from Synchrony Bank. Click on the link to verify your email address. After verification, log in using your newly created username and password. Once logged in, you can explore the various card payment options available. Follow any additional prompts to set up your payment preferences. And that's it. You are now registered with Synchrony for card payment options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.